water receded. I'll show you the dogs. Okay, they're all up on tables. Simba's there. I got Poke. Who's in there? Oh, Mr. Pokey's in there. There's a dog in here. So we've got all the dogs up on tables, elevated. Hi, Mama. She was up here. Here's a dog up on the counter. Okay. We're gonna get situated with Bella on the kitchen counter. Put the bench in there for Ariel. Okay, so here's our situation. I know, mamas. Everybody's doing good, though. They're quiet. Got Bri over here. Little Bri. There's Bri. Like the king. Okay. Thank you, guys. If anybody can donate something, we're going to have to do a big cleanup. Do our best.